Hello again YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. This is my latest build, wall hanger art for a firefighter in San Antonio. All I need to do is add the logoing to the back for his firehouse. So I started off with a broken down Tonka toy. It had a good set of axles. It had these really nice fire extinguishers, and you know, a couple little plastics and stuff. But I started out by taking it all apart. Then I chopped it in half, and you can see the other half here for a reference of how much I added to it. Let's do it this way. So I chopped it, and I was able to add this section from the back of the truck to give it all the accessories. But yeah, I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out. And I took what would have otherwise been junk toy and made it into something that someone can appreciate and enjoy. I'll show you the back side. So yeah, like I said, this is something that just hangs on the wall. Cool little piece of art. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, I ask you to go down and smash that like button. Subscribe for more videos. The next one for sure, I'm going to try to make a build video. I just kind of wanted to show you guys where this started and what we have now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.